Hello you guys, my name is Owen Winda and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope your week or weekend or month was great. So like today, as you read the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to show you about like 5 ways you can make money online, or 5 jobs you can easily do, side hustles which you can easily do online and make at least a bit of something. So first and foremost, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, leave your thoughts or contributions in the comment section below. If there will be any links to this video, you can check them in the description. If you want to follow me in any of my platforms, that is Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, you can easily just search for Owen Luvinda. On TikTok, it's Owen Luvinda. I think everywhere it says Owen Luvinda. So let's jump into this thing right now. So first and foremost, what you can easily do, or the best way you can, or the best way that you can actually, best job that you can actually do on the internet is, first and foremost, honestly, from my advice, is create a YouTube channel. I know for YouTube it's a bit of a long-term investment, because till you reach your threshold, or you start being monetized and everything like that, that process and everything like that, that's when you start earning money. But some of the best investment, like side hustle investment, you can ever do, because the time you start making money, it comes in like a lot. So the second thing is dropshipping. Okay, so dropshipping is it's very simple. It's when you go and go to the manufacturer. You go to the manufacturer and you bargain a price on a certain item. Whereby when you get that price and take it back to the retail market, you would actually increase it and make profit. So most of the times, what happens in dropshipping is very simple. You email the manufacturer, right? Then advertise the product. Then someone will buy it. You won't even touch it. It will just be sent direct to the customer. That is what is called dropshipping. So in my country, it's very simple here in Zambia. Ideas of this concept of dropshipping has been adapted by a lot of people, in a way that here in the Copper Belt, you'd find someone is selling clothes right in town. A person will just be going in the streets and getting pics of the clothes, the shoes, and everything like that. Everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you. Stay tuned for more lit content. If you're a new subscriber, please, thank you, and leave your thoughts and contributions in the comment section below. If you're old, new, thank you. I'll be doing a giveaway very soon. I'm about to hit 1K. Peace out.